Good morning, students. Today we are discussing worksheet 10 matter. Jigyasa Didi asked Gyan, what you have learned so far about the matter around us. Gyan said, Didi, I have learned so many things about matter, like matter is made up of particles. Properties of particles are they have empty space between them, they attract each other, and they are continuously moving. And matter, anything occupies space and mass called matter. Matter is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gases. A very common example of matter is water, which is found in all three states. Like if we freeze water, it converted into solid, and if we melt, it converted into liquid. If we boil water, it converted into vapors. If we condense water, it converted into liquid. Didi, I have also learned one more process called sublimation, in which solid directly converted into vapors. Matter is in the form of pure as well as mixture. Pure form of matter are elements and compounds. Elements are smallest part of matter which can't be divided by the physical process. For example, iron and gold. Whereas compound, two or more elements combined by the chemical process in a fixed ratio called compound. For example, water, glucose and salt. Mixture is found in two forms. Mixture found in two forms called homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Solution is an example of homogeneous mixture, whereas suspension and colloids are example of heterogeneous mixture. Now comes to the question answers part. Name a matter which exists in the nature in all three states. As I told you earlier also, water. Water is a matter which exists in the nature in all three states. How does a solution differ from suspension? Solution differ from a suspension as solution is an example of homogeneous mixture, whereas suspension is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Size of solute particles of solution are very small, whereas suspension has big size. We can't see the particle size of solution, but we can see the particle size of suspension. Particles can't be separated out by filtration in case of homogeneous, whereas particles can be separated out in case of heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous is transparent, whereas heterogeneous is opaque. What are compounds? Next question. What are compounds? Give the name of two compounds from your surrounding. Compounds are those substances which can form by combining two or more elements in a fixed ratio. An example are water and salt. Fourth question. What are mixture? Mixture are those substances which form by combining two or more substances. Salt and water is a kind of solution. That is an example of homogeneous mixture. Soil and water is an example of suspension, which is heterogeneous mixture. And milk and water is an example of colloidal, which is again heterogeneous mixture. So students, this is all about your worksheet 10. If you really find it interesting, useful, do like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.